Welcome to Help at Home, your resource for great recipes and easy learning. I'm Jim Hightower. Well, welcome to all my brand new subscribers, going from around 980 at the end of April to near or over 6,000 today. And because I was able to join the YouTube Partner Program and monetize the channel, there are a few ways that you can support the channel if you desire and can afford to. The first thing is called Super Thank You, I believe. And if you're watching on mobile, below my videos, where there are other things you can choose, it says like thank you. And I think it has a little dollar sign, which is appropriate. But you click that and you can donate between $2 and $500, I believe. And as your way of saying thank you, I love this video and I want to see more, and that type of thing. The other way that you can support the channel is by channel memberships, where you join and pay a monthly fee. There's like beginner fan, I think it's $3.99, and you get special icons showing that you are a member of the channel, and every time that you make a comment in the chats or comments, whatever, it will show your icon, and it changes every month to show that you have been a member for so long. Also, you get priority response on your comments ahead of regular subscribers. And I think there's something else. But if you go to the channel, and right below the video, it'll say join. And if you click join, you can see what the beginner fan has to offer. Then the next and final is, I think, called Super Fan, and it's, I think, $8.99 a month or $9.99 a month, and you get everything that the beginner fan offers, plus you get to see the next video 3 days ahead of the normal release. So you'd see it 3 days ahead of regular subscribers. You would also get to participate in members-only chats in the community tab, members-only polls to vote on things that we might discuss or things that you want to see made on the channel. And also, I have a small garden, and once a month, I would also give a link to the super fans, this little tour of my garden, how things are growing or not growing, and just showing you how life works. Again, if you click the join button underneath videos, you can see all of the perks that come with the super fan as well. None of these are mandatory. It's completely optional. Also, just in full disclosure, I receive 70% of your donations and memberships, and then out of that other 30%, part of it goes to taxes and then YouTube fees. Then there's one other option, and that's in the description of my videos. If you want to give a donation that is full, that I would get 100%, I think I would, then you can donate on PayPal. It's called PayPal Me, and that link will be in the description of each video. Now, in some of my older videos, I had buy me a cup of coffee, and that didn't work out too well. So if you see that, just skip it. And if you don't see the PayPal donation and you want to, just go to one of my newer videos and you'll see that there. And I'm trying to update everything. I'm also trying to update all of my videos that just have the ingredients in the description and not the full instructions. I was thinking that people wouldn't watch the video, but I realize everybody likes to print things out, and so it's coming along. I'm getting there, and all my new videos will have it in there. I just want to thank everyone that has subscribed to the channel, and also I want you to know that this is a safe place to be. It is a place for great recipes and easy learning, but also it's a learning and sharing community. I don't have all the answers. You don't have all the answers. Even Julia Child was learning up until when she couldn't cook anymore. And as a retired teacher, they've always told us, if you're not learning something new, you've passed away. One moment. I want this to be a learning and sharing community where everybody can feel safe to give their opinions, and at the same time, well, in keeping with that, at the same time, I will not tolerate any trolls. I will not tolerate any trolls. If you know what a troll is, that's great. If you don't, it's people that just go around being rude. And I have a one chance policy. If you're super rude, you're gone. If I'm not sure, I may comment back to you and give you another chance, but no rudeness, no cursing, no bullying, and this is a happy place to be. So, thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching and sharing, and until next time, this is Jim Hightower, and remember, everyone needs help, even me. However, I'm just going on and on and on. One way is called super things. Sorry, you caught me in the middle of my, what is it?